Alright, it's Saturday, May 30th. I left this morning from Chicago around 5 a.m. and just pulled into Pawnee National Grassland in Colorado. Super cool here. There were a couple cows that just walked through my campsite. Well, there's a big windmill farm over there, and I am a little bit nervous about the wind with the tent, but we'll see how that goes tonight. I'm heading out tomorrow morning to go to Salt Lake City to the Airbnb. First night in my tent last night in Pawnee National Grasslands, and I'm headed towards Salt Lake City today, which should take about 8 hours driving, so should get there with plenty of time to settle in. Alright, so I stopped recording the narration during the trip about 3 days into it. So I figured I would just do a narration style thing now. Today's Friday, and kind of tell you guys about the week and what we did. So I got to Salt Lake City around 7 and jumped out to do a small hike up to Donut Falls, which is in Big Cottonwood Canyon. It's a short 3-mile hike up to this really cool waterfall formation, which is a really nice first glimpse at northern Utah and like the Salt Lake City area. We kind of fell into this routine where during the days we work from about 8 to 5 or 6, and then go out for a climbing and hiking trip. And the first day we went up to a place called Hell's Gate, which is a place in Little Cottonwood Canyon. And when we hiked up there, and we got to the top, there was we read the description, and it mentioned like really dangerous amounts of rockfall. And while we were up there, we actually heard 2 or 3 rocks come down, which is really dangerous for climbers, because if we got in, that would not be good. So we decided to go somewhere else. We went to a place called Green Buttress, which is in a similar area just down the road. And it was a completely different kind of rock, really slab style climbing, which is great.
But if you fall, you'll just take a swing, you won't die. You'll be good.
I haven't climbed in like 2 or 3 months, so it was fun to just be back rock climbing. At the end of the day, we all climbed up to the top, and we anchored in at the top of the climb and watched the sunset, which was awesome, and hiked back during the night.
Look at that.
After work the next day, we headed out to the north and west faces of Challenge Buttress, and we climbed there for a while. And then Ethan, Adam, and I went up to the S Bend, and set up to climb up there. I did a really relaxed day, climbed one route, read for a while, went and stuck my feet in the water, kind of just chill. Try to take like a rest day. On Wednesday, I went to a place called Alpha Coffee, which I really like. They've got a nice picnic area outside where you can bring your laptop and work if you need to switch it up during the week. So this weekend, we're heading 45 minutes south to Provo, Utah, to be closer to some different climbing areas and different hiking areas, just to switch it up. We will have been in Salt Lake for a week and feel like we've touched enough of it to move a little bit further away. So this is my first video. I have no idea how it's going to turn out, but I'm learning a lot through the whole process, and I really appreciate you watching it, and thank you.